Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate online courses with Teachable, full guide step by step clearly. To automate online courses with Teachable, start by logging into your Teachable account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Teachable website. Once logged in, navigate to the Courses tab on the dashboard. Click on New Course to create a new course. Choose between a coaching or course option and select Course. Fill in the course title and description in the provided fields. Next, select a course image that represents your content. Set up the pricing option under the Pricing tab. You can choose a free, one-time purchase, subscription, or payment plan. Once that's done, move to the Curriculum section. Add the course content by clicking on Add Section. Within each section, click on Add Lecture to include videos, quizzes, or text content. Upload your content by dragging and dropping files or using the Upload button. Once your content is added, select Settings to configure automation options. Enable drip schedule if you want to release content gradually. Set specific dates or intervals for each section to be unlocked. Review the email notifications settings to automate student engagement. You can set automated emails for enrollment confirmations, course completions, and announcements. After configuring the settings, preview the course to ensure everything is in place. Once satisfied, click Publish to make your course live. Promote your course link through your website or social media channels. Monitor student progress through the Analytics dashboard. Make adjustments to your course based on feedback and performance data. Regularly update course content to keep it relevant and engaging. With these steps, you'll be able to automate your online courses effectively using Teachable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.